Hi guys, welcome back to Kessie's Cuisine, where we satisfy your food cravings with easy and amazing recipes, guys. Welcome to the second episode of our copycat series, and today we are making Subway. Today I'm about to recreate a Subway sandwich at home. Same look, same layer, but even better. But the real question is, will it actually taste like Subway, or will I have just wasted my time? Let's find out together. Now, for the main character, I'm going to be using chicken. Okay, I'm going to be keeping it simple, basic spicing, but just enough to taste really, really good. I'm just going to add basic spicing, all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add in some garlic, and then I'm going to add in some white pepper, and I'm just going to saute that for some minutes before I build it up in my sandwich, before I add it to my sandwich. Our bread, some fresh veggies, ham, cheese, and a very juicy filling. Everything well arranged. So let's see if we can recreate this menu together. If you really want to enjoy the Subway experience, the bread matters a lot. We are not going to use something that is so soft because we don't want everything to be soggy at the end of the day. I'm not going to stress myself, so I'm going to use this one. But if you really want to outdo yourself, you can definitely bake yours from scratch. I love the way it is crunchy outside and it's not so hard inside. So now we are going to build our sandwich. Firstly, I'm going to start off with a little bit of my sauce. I'm going to add my cheese. And I'm going to roast this for some minutes. So while my chicken is sauteing and my bread is roasting, let us chop our fresh vegetables. I'm going to be using some avocado, some tomato, and I'm just going to prep that for my build up. I really wanted to add avocado, but my avocados are not ripe. They are really hard. They look ripe outside, but cutting through they are really hard. So I'm just going to do with my tomato, my salad mix, and I'll just build it up, okay? So my chicken is ready, and I'm going to dice it into very tiny pieces. Now let's build this up. These are cheese. We are not going to be stingy with anything. So we are going to fill up our sandwich properly. I'm going to add enough of everything. I'm going to add my arms, two. I'm going to add some sliced salad. I'm also going to add my chicken. As you can tell, this sandwich is rich, like super rich. I'm going to add some more sauce. My shredded cheese. we're going to press that together. So this is what we were able to recreate, and I can say this looks amazing, and I can't wait to just have a bite to tell you guys what we created. So guys, this actually tastes like Subway but fresher. This is what we were able to put together today. I'm absolutely proud of this recreation. Tell me guys if you guys will try this recipe in the comment section. Tell me what you will rate us in the comment section. For me, I am going to limit my visit to Subway because this actually tastes really fresh, really homely, and I just absolutely love it. So guys, if you like to see our next big recreation, do well to subscribe, to like, to comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Meanwhile, let me go finish this. Bye.